Hello everyone, this is Rubens Gardelli from Gardelli Specialty Coffees, and I'm very happy to present you the new arrival of the week, which is a decaf coffee. Sorry about this, but this morning my son, by joking, gave me a huge bite. Anyway, so I'm very happy because this is something that the people needs, because some person don't process very well the caffeine, and I decided throughout the year that I needed to have a decaf in my offer list. So I've been like 2 months more or less without it, and now this one I'm very happy because it's honestly one of the best decaf coffee I've ever tried in my life. And this is kind of the second year that I'm able to find great decaf. And this is coming from Colombia also as well, because the last coffee we had was Colombia, but a different part of Colombia, different producers. And this is called Argelia or Argelia. It's a small municipality in the Cauca region, and this area has been in the past suffering problem for the drug trafficking, and there is still a problem present in some ways. And this is a project founded by USAID and through the Siruma coffee exporter, and they provided like new equipment, new technologies, and new know-how, new knowledge to better manage the farm, to better manage the processing, the picking, and also the sales and the market and the market as well. So they made a great job because of the final result, the final cup. This coffee, this lot, is composed by a mixed variety of Castillo and Caturra. So it's more or less 15 different small producers made up this mixed lot. And this has been processed first time through the classic washed method. But after that, Siruma brought into a facility to extract the caffeine through sugar cane. It's a quite complex procedure, so if you want to know really how it's done, please read our website. You will find all the information if you are curious to understand how the caffeine is extracted from the beans using no chemical. And this is something that in the last at least 4 years I've been offering, is a non-chemical decaffeinated coffee. So it is tasting really, like I would say, super balanced cup, really comfortable, cozy, because I will define it as a classic Central America washed cup profile, which is a round body, like a balanced acidity. The notes are red apple, so it has some sweetness with the caramel notes. The final is a dark chocolate. So it's not a complex cup, but really sweet and balanced with a nice silky body. And honestly, on the cupping table, when we do the cupping, it's really hiding very well this decaf among other non-decaf coffee. Okay, so it's not easy to spot it. So just to give you an example of how it is good. Anyway, nothing more to say. You just need to try it, and I hope you will like it as much as we do. And yes, there is the advantage that you can drink as much as you want throughout the day because there is zero caffeine. All right. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next coffee. Bye bye.